Hi, my name is Ricky Casford with At Your Service Plumbing, and today we're going to talk about how a toilet works. Alright, so really basically, this is the lid, this is the seat, and then there are two bolts here that secure that. So if you ever need to replace the seat, the bolts are down here. It's actually usually plastic, but it does work with any kind of crescent wrench to be able to undo that, and then that pops right off. All right, so really quickly, if you do have to replace the toilet seat, this is what you'll find that will attach to this bolt here. It'll come out of the box looking very much like that. You'll have two of these, and these posts simply go in these holes, and then you attach the nut. Okay, now we're going to look inside the tank. So the lid just lifts off. So here you have the handle. The handle is attached to a lever which has a chain that's attached to the flapper down here, which is what allows the toilet to flush. This is the fill valve, and this is the fill tube. This is a supply tube that brings the clean water from the fill valve over to the tube in order to allow your bowl to have water in it, clean water, once you've flushed. Fill valve, this one is actually called a float valve because this piece here, this ball floats up on the water that's in the tank, and it goes up until it reaches the point that it is enough, and it tells the valve to shut off. All right, so when you flush the toilet, when you push the handle down, it makes the lever lift this flapper. This is just a rubber piece, but what happens is all of the water that's in the tank goes down this hole. And once the bowl starts to fill, and it gets to this point here, the water will start to spill over this little edge here, and it will create a siphon taking all of this water down through your dirty arm. So that's the basics on how a toilet works. Hopefully you feel a little bit more comfortable with all the mechanisms that are involved, and if perhaps you have to make a repair yourself, you'll feel a little bit more comfortable in the future. Again, my name is Ricky Casford with At Your Service Plumbing.